Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Awin, the affiliate network, and maybe you're wondering, is this a legit site? Can you make money from it? Do they have good products? How much do they pay out in commissions, right? Is this a good way to make money online, or are they a waste of time? All right, now at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just using the internet, click the link below and I'll send you my free masterclass. You can check that out, all right? Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet, and some of them are great. You can make big income. Some of them so-so, some of them a waste of time. So let's check out Awin to find out whether this is a good way for you to generate big income on the internet, all right? Now, Awin is a very, very large affiliate marketing network. They've been around for a very long time, and they own ShareASale, which is also a very large, legitimate affiliate marketing network. Now, affiliate marketing is just when you partner up with different retailers and you can sell their brands, you can promote them, and when you successfully make a sale, which is called cost per sale, CPS, they will pay you a commission. Very, very simple. So all you're doing is you're becoming a marketer, you're becoming a middle person, and you're just recommending their products. So the thing about Awin, because they're such a big affiliate network, they work with 25,000 retail brands from all over the world. It's pretty cool, okay? And what they've done is they partnered up with these brands and they've created these affiliate programs, and then they make it available to normal people like you and me, for example, and you can just come in, you can take a look at the different brands that you want to partner up with, whether it's, for example, Lively Root or Rent Cars or Viator or Earth Hero, for example, and you would work with them, and you would promote their companies, and when somebody buys online, they pay you a commission. Very, very simple. Okay, that's what affiliate marketing is. So 25,000 brands that you can potentially work with, and they work with a lot of different sectors, right? So everything from retail and shopping, so online stores, department stores, fashion, beauty, and technology, right? That's one of their pillars or one of their niches that you can choose. They work with fashion companies, so everything from brick and mortar brands to online only retailers, okay? Very, very extensive. They work in the travel space as well. So everything from hotels, flights, trips, tickets, excursions, experiences. They work with finance and insurance companies, so including banking, credit cards, insurance products and loans, and then telco and services. All right, so broadband services, cell phone, ticketing, and many, many more. So these are the main kind of categories and industries that they work with, right? If you are a marketer, or if you are somebody that has a following outside of these categories, then maybe Awin isn't going to be a very good fit for you. Or maybe if you're not interested in selling any of these niches or industries, it might not be a very good fit for you. But there are a lot of other big affiliate marketing networks out there, all right? Now, how do you actually become an affiliate marketer? It's very simple. So you just click on, let me show you this again. You come back here, you just click on publishers, because you're going to be a publisher. All right, you can promote links and recommendations to an engaged audience base, and you want to earn commissions through partnerships. You click on publisher benefits, you become a publisher right here, and they've got more details on exactly how you can do this. All right, so they kind of give you some details right here. You sign up, you promote, and you earn. It's very, very simple. All right, and there are a few different ways that you can become a partner. All right, so maybe you're already a content creator or influencer, right? So there are a lot of people, who are creating content these days on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, for example, right? Maybe you already have a following. So you've got 10,000 people that follow you, you've got millions of people that follow you, maybe you only have 500 people or 100 people that follow you, okay? So that's one method, and you have to basically create the content in the same space that they sell products in. So maybe you're in the travel space, or maybe you're in the tech space, or maybe you're in the beauty space or the retail space. This would be a good fit. Then you can recommend these products to the people that follow you, for example, okay? Or maybe you are an editorial or media website. So maybe you've got a very big website, you've got a big blog where you've got 50,000 people that come to your blog every single day or every single month, for example. Then this might be a good fit, okay? Or maybe you're a technology partner, right? You've got some sort of technology website, or there are other different websites that you could be, a part of. Maybe you have, sorry about that. Oops, let me pop this down. What's going on here? Okay, sorry about that. And then, or maybe you've got like a cashback website or a loyalty platform or some sort of sub-affiliate network, shopping directory, then you can partner up with these guys, all right? Now, if you're an absolute beginner, okay, you're wondering like, Aaron, well, I've never done this before. I'm not a content creator, an influencer. I don't own a big website or a blog or anything like that. Can I still do this? You can. Stick around. I'll show you how you can become a very successful affiliate marketer and make big income. Even if you're an absolute beginner, all right? But these are the general types of people that can make money from Awin and big affiliate networks like Awin, okay? Now let's talk about the payments. How do you actually make money from this? Now, once you start promoting products successfully through Awin, all right, or any big affiliate network, then once you start making money, what they'll do is they'll pay you out usually 30 to 60 days after you've made the sale, because they have to make sure you've gone past the refund period, all right? Some products have refunds, some don't, okay? And they pay you in the 1st and the 15th of every month. You need to have made a minimum of $20 in commission sales, and they pay out 3 ways. BACS, if you're based in Europe, wire transfer, if you're based internationally, or ACH, if you're based in the US. So mainly through basically bank transfers, all right? So those are the 3 ways that you can get paid out. So Awin overall, I think it's a really cool website, all right? It's a very cool network. The thing about Awin though that you need to understand is that they work with a lot of retail style companies, okay? So fashion, retail shopping, travel, telco, finance and insurance, things like that, all right? So a lot of these types of products, the commission rates aren't super high. All right, you have to understand that when people, are retailing their brands, like you're reselling, for example, Viatus services or Lively Root, which is a physical product, right? They can't pay you that much in commissions. Usually it's 10% or lower, all right? 3%, 5%, 8% for some of these services, right? Earth Hero, for example, okay? So you're not making huge amounts of commissions, and that's the only thing. What you want to do as an affiliate marketer to make better commissions is you want to work with products that are digital, and when you do that, you can make much bigger commissions, 30%, 50%, 70%, very realistic, okay? They do offer some of these as well, but they're pretty hard to find amongst the 25,000 brands that they do work with. The majority of them will pay pretty low commissions. It's pretty normal for affiliate marketing, all right? That's the only thing that I would say about Awin, is that a lot of the commission rates are generally a little bit lower, all right? But they have a very, very big database, 25,000 different products and brands that you can check out if you want, all right? So if you want to check out Awin, it's a really, really decent affiliate network, awin.com, all right? Now, if you're a beginner though, okay, and you are none of these people right now, okay, you're not a content creator, you're not an influencer, you're not a big website, you're not a blog, and you're like, Aaron, how do I do this? How can I still work with Awin, make money from these companies, but I have no followers at all, right? Well, the truth is that in order for you to do this, you need to learn step by step. How do you pick products? Are there affiliate networks where you can get more commissions? Like I just mentioned, 50%, 70% commissions, right? So that it's easier for you to get into profit. How do you set up your business step by step? How do you attract a big group of people towards you so that you can then promote these products and make a lot of money online? Successful affiliate marketers make anywhere from 5,000, 10,000 all the way up to 50,000, millions of dollars a month. Some people, it's crazy. Some affiliate marketers make millions of dollars a month. It's really, really incredible. It's a great industry, but you have to learn how to do it properly step by step. So if you're a beginner and you would want the step by step on how to do this the right way, I've got a free masterclass that you can check out. Just click the link below and I'll send you that for free. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Awin, all right? All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.